Today we're going to be covering JumpCloud's SAML connectors and how JumpCloud can consolidate your users' access to their accounts in an easy, secure manner. Once logged into your JumpCloud administrator account, you'll want to navigate to the Applications menu on the left-hand side. Here, you'll see a list of the SSO connectors you might have already set up. If this is your first time setting up an application, you can add your SSO application by hitting the green plus button in the top left and scrolling through the list of applications that appear in the right-hand pane. If you don't see the application in our pre-made list, you can leverage our generic SAML connector, which is the first one in the list. You can also search for this generic connector by typing in SAML in the search bar above. In order to configure your application, click on the Configure button next to your app in the list. Each of these applications might need specific attributes to be configured on both JumpCloud and the application in order to create that chain of trust. There are knowledge base articles at the bottom of each connector, which will navigate you into a new tab with directions on how to configure this application for both JumpCloud and the web application side. Note: SAML in essence is an all-or-nothing protocol, meaning that you will first have to have all of your users that need access to that application to first have valid JumpCloud user accounts before those users can access that application. Once JumpCloud is set up as the IDP for that application, all logins are rerouted to JumpCloud. Once the application is configured, you'll want to navigate to the Groups menu and select or create a user group that you'd like to grant access to for the SSO application you've just configured. Once this is complete, all users within that user group will have the SSO application you've bound appear within their JumpCloud user portal. We'll use the example Bob Fay. Bob's a part of the sales user group, which has access to Salesforce. If we log into Bob's JumpCloud user portal, we'll see that Salesforce is one of the applications in the list he has access to. By clicking on the Salesforce icon, he'll be automatically logged in and navigated to the logged in landing page of that web application. Now the opposite is also true. If Bob were to directly navigate to Salesforce and type in his email address and credentials, Salesforce would reroute him to JumpCloud, asking him to verify his JumpCloud credentials. Once verified, it will reroute him back automatically to Salesforce logged in landing page for his account. That's it. This concludes the tutorial on JumpCloud SAML applications and connectors.